Have you ever found yourself in a financial pickle, wishing there was a quick and easy way to get some extra cash? Maybe you've considered using Koho, but you're not sure how to get in touch with them. Or perhaps you're already a Koho user and need to reach out for support. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho customer support. Let's face it, dealing with customer service can be a real drag. You're often put on hold for what feels like an eternity, or you get transferred from one department to another, only to end up back where you started. But what if I told you that contacting Koho might be a different story? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk about why you might need to contact Koho. Maybe you have a question about your account, or you're experiencing issues with your card. Perhaps you want to know more about their features, or maybe you're interested in applying for a loan. Whatever the reason, knowing how to reach out to Koho can be a lifesaver. Now, let's get down to business. The most common way to contact Koho is through their online help center. Think of it as your one-stop shop for answers to all your Koho-related questions. It's like having a personal assistant who knows everything about the app. You can find information on everything from setting up your account to troubleshooting common issues. But what if you can't find the answer you're looking for in the help center? Don't worry, there are other options. Koho also offers email support. While it might take a bit longer to get a response compared to other methods, it's a good option if you have a complex issue or need to provide detailed information. Another way to get in touch with Koho is through social media. They are active on platforms like Twitter and Facebook, and you can often find answers to your questions by searching their pages or by sending them a direct message. Keep in mind that social media might not be the best option for urgent matters, but it can be a good way to get general information or engage with the Koho community. If you prefer to talk to someone directly, Koho also offers phone support. This option is usually reserved for more urgent issues or when you need to speak to a representative to resolve a problem. Keep in mind that wait times can vary, so be prepared to spend some time on hold. Now, let's talk about some tips for contacting Koho. First, be clear and concise when explaining your issue. The more information you provide, the better equipped Koho will be to help you. Second, be patient. Customer service representatives are human too, and they're doing their best to assist you. Avoid being rude or aggressive, as it will only make the situation worse. Finally, keep a record of your interactions with Koho. This includes emails, chat transcripts, and phone call notes. Having a record of your correspondence can be helpful if you need to escalate an issue or dispute a charge. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on how to contact Koho. Remember, the best way to contact them will depend on the nature of your issue and your personal preferences. Whether you choose the help center, email, social media, or phone support, you should be able to get the assistance you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.